the paradox that we have of different laws, different legislations. And that's why let's say 95% of the laws were outdated and they don't fit a modern Palestinian state. And of course, if you go to the Jordanian laws, for example, the laws in Jordan after 1967 were amended, but in Palestine they were not amended because we were under occupation. And this applies to Egypt. When it comes to women, this is the worst part of it. So we have to start working on having all the laws that are related to women, such as the personal status law. This is what the name that was given by the Jordanian status law, and also the Gaza law, which was the family rights law, as the Egyptian call it, to come up with one unified law for the West Bank and Gaza, and Jerusalem, of course, as part of the West Bank, and at the same time to be also unified for women. This was our ambition, not to have the Sharia for the Muslim women and the clerical laws for the Christians. And of course, if you have three different sects, this means you have different clerical laws for women. And also we have the Samaritan women who have their own, let's say, bylaws. This was one of the problems that faced us, to come with how are we going to come to a unified law for all women. Our aim is to have a modern Bill of Rights, and that can be used as a reference for all other laws that are related to women, like the family law or the penal penalty law, or any other law where women or families are usually included or addressed or targeted. In our strategy, we have put our mission for the 3 years, 2009 until 2011, to unify the women's discourse. In terms of having a democratic society where women and men are equal. Consider this Bill of Rights document is one document also to unify our discourse. Our board and our General Assembly, in fact, approved the Bill of Rights to be used as a reference. We need to have our staff and our field coordinators in the West Bank and in Gaza to be aware of this Bill of Rights document in order to know how to present it or how to build on it in their daily work. Part of our implementation plan for the strategy is to make reviews for this Bill of Rights. Things change, so sometimes you need to review things to see if they still fit. Sure. And that's why they changed after the Palestinian Authority came to power, and etc. They made some changes, but slight changes. And now with the Hamas and the political changes took place, some of the changes also took place.